everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Jack. I'm also very happy, but also a little sleepy. I stayed up too late watching English movies. I call that, studying, right?
Well, that can count as studying if you're actually listening to the English. But today's topic is perfect for you, Jack, and for everyone who feels too busy to study English.
Oh, yes. I always think I'll study later, and then suddenly it's midnight.
I know that feeling. So today we'll show you 3 simple ways to practice English every day, even if you're busy.
Sounds great. You mean I don't need 2 hours in a grammar book?
Nope, just a few minutes and the right mindset.
Nice. So, if you're watching this while cooking, cleaning, or riding a bus, stay with us.
Yes, you're about to learn how to fit English into your everyday life easily and naturally.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
And tell us in the comments, how do you usually practice English? We love reading your ideas. Okay, let's start with the first way. Turn your daily life into English practice.
Daily life. Like brushing my teeth?
Exactly. Everything you do can be English practice. The key is to think in English while doing it.
Oh, like when I'm making breakfast, I can say, I'm cutting the bread. I'm making coffee. I'm burning my toast again.
Yes, exactly. Even small sentences like, I'm washing my face or I'm going to work are great practice.
But what if I don't know the English word for something?
Great question. You can do 2 things. Try to describe it in simple English. For example, if you forget kettle, you can say, the thing that makes hot water. Or you can check it quickly in a dictionary, then repeat it out loud a few times.
So, I should talk to myself in English?
Yes, you might feel silly at first, but it's actually very powerful. Talking to yourself helps your brain stay in English mode.
Okay, but what if someone sees me talking to myself on the bus? They might think I'm crazy.
Then just do it quietly in your mind. You can also type short thoughts in your phone notes. For example, it's raining again, or I'm hungry.
I like that. It's like journaling, but small and quick.
Exactly. Even 30 seconds counts. The goal is to make English a normal part of your day.
So, you're saying I don't need to wait for a study time. I can just use English in my life.
Yes, every moment can be a learning moment.
I love that. I'll start by thinking in English when I cook. Eggs, butter, toast. Don't burn it, Jack.
Perfect start. Okay, the second way is listening to English while you do something else.
Oh, like when I'm doing laundry or walking the dog?
Exactly. We all have in-between moments, like cleaning, driving, or exercising. Those are great times to listen to English.
So I can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or English music?
Yes, and here's the trick. Don't worry if you don't understand every word.
That's hard. I always try to translate everything.
I know, but translation can slow you down. Instead, just focus on catching familiar words or getting the general idea.
Like if I hear dog, park, play, I can imagine what's happening.
Exactly. You're training your ears to get comfortable with English sounds.
Sometimes I feel bad because I forget what I listen to.
That's okay. Listening is like watering a plant. You don't see results right away, but the growth happens slowly.
I love that. So my brain is like a little English plant?
Yes, keep giving it English water every day, and it will grow stronger.
So I should listen for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day.
Yes, that's perfect. Choose something fun, a podcast about movies, travel, or even English learning shows like ours.
Great idea. I'll listen to Everyday English with Emma and Jack while doing my dishes.
That's the best idea ever.
One question, should I listen actively or just in the background?
Both are good. If you're tired, just let it play in the background. But if you can focus, try to repeat some phrases or write down one new word each day.
Oh, that's smart. Just one word each day adds up fast.
Yes, remember, small steps every day lead to big progress. Okay, the third way, and maybe the most important, is to speak English every day.
That's the scary one.
I know. Speaking can feel scary, especially if you're afraid of mistakes, but you can practice speaking even alone.
How? I don't have many people to talk to in English.
That's okay. You can still practice by yourself. Try shadowing.
Shadowing? Like a ninja?
Kind of. It means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say at the same time.
Oh, like copying their words and intonation?
Yes. For example, play a short video, pause after each sentence, and repeat it. Try to match their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation.
That sounds fun, like karaoke for English.
Exactly. And if you can record yourself, you'll notice how your English sounds.
That might be a little painful.
It can be at first, but it's super helpful. You'll see your pronunciation improving.
Okay, I'll try it. But what if I really want to talk to someone?
Then join an online speaking group or find a language partner. You can use apps or even join our comment section.
Oh, yeah. We always read the comments. You can practice writing and maybe find someone to chat with.
Yes, writing and speaking go hand in hand. The key is don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking with the English you have now.
Right. I remember the first time I spoke with a native speaker, I said, "I go to supermarket yesterday." And they still understood me.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
That's encouraging. I'll try to speak one short sentence a day, maybe to my dog.
That's a great listener. Dogs never correct grammar.
True. He just wags his tail. Maybe he'll be fluent before me.
Well, at least you'll both enjoy the practice.
Wait, can I add a step 4?
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay. Mix English with the things you love.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, like if you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you like games, switch your game language to English.
Perfect. When you connect English to your interests, it doesn't feel like studying.
For example, I love soccer, so I follow English football pages on social media. I learn words like goal, pass, and penalty.
That's fantastic. And the more fun it is, the easier it becomes to keep doing it.
So basically, if I love it, I'll learn it faster.
Exactly. Passion makes learning powerful. Okay, let's put everything together.
All right, here's my summary. Number 1, think in English during your daily life.
Yes. Describe what you're doing, even in simple sentences.
Number 2, listen to English while doing other things.
Exactly. Podcasts, songs, or videos, even if you don't understand every word.
Number 3, speak a little English every day.
Perfect. Use shadowing, talk to yourself, or find a partner.
And bonus tip, Mix English with what you love.
Yes, when English is part of your favorite things, it becomes part of your life.
Wow, this makes learning sound much less stressful.
That's the idea. You don't need long hours, just small daily actions.
You know, I used to think I needed to sit with a grammar book for hours to improve.
Many learners think that. But real progress happens when English becomes part of your lifestyle.
So if I just spend a few minutes each day doing these things, I'll improve over time.
Absolutely. Remember, consistency is stronger than intensity.
Ooh, nice quote. Can I steal that?
Of course. Maybe we should print it on a t-shirt.
Consistency is stronger than intensity. I love it.
So, if you're watching this, remember, even if you're busy, you can still practice English every single day.
And we believe in you. You're doing great just by being here with us.
All right, friends, let's wrap up for today. We hope you enjoyed these 3 simple ways to practice English every day.
I did. I feel like I have no excuse now. I can practice while brushing my teeth, walking my dog, or burning my toast.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of it. Small steps every day.
So everyone, which tip will you try first? Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to learn English too.
Because learning is easier and more fun when we do it together.
That's right. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every word you say brings you closer to fluency.
Beautiful. Okay, let's say goodbye the Emma and Jack way.
Emma and Jack, keep smiling, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!